Data centers just hit a massive structural wall. It's called the inference inversion, and it is shifting data center architecture majorly. And also, Computex just ended. Here's what you need to know in June for the IT hardware industry. The rollout of multi-step agentic AI workflows is changing server component ratios. Historically, an AI cluster might run one host CPU for every 4 to 8 GPUs. But because these new software agents require constant data orchestration, data centers are re-architecting nodes closer to a 1-to-1 CPU to GPU ratio. That extra load has extended lead times for current-gen Intel and AMD host processors out to 8 to 22 weeks. On the memory side, the Samsung labor strike threat back in mid-May caused some ripples in the spot market. High-density 64GB DDR5 RDIMMs ticked up about 11% month-over-month, sitting right around $1,350 per module. We're also tracking a significant shift in infrastructure power. To bypass multi-year waiting lists for local utility grid connections, major operators are building captive behind-the-meter natural gas power plants right next to their campuses to power their hardware directly. If you're mapping out your hardware budget for Q3, you've got options. First, consider decoupling your sourcing. Procure a bare-bones chassis through the secondary refurbished market, and then source your open market host silicon separately. A refurbished 15th generation server running DDR4 is holding its value incredibly well because it completely bypasses these DDR4 supply line constraints. It's a very solid play for standard enterprise workloads. Shop smart, lock in your component quotes early, and I'll see you next month.